Have Chiquete help you. Okay, so when you open the box, this is the shoulder part, and this is the remote controller and the bolt inside.
I'm just like prepping the boxes, just kind of moving out of the way here. The arm shoulders. So once you have the basically remove all the packaging off the base area, once basically do you not have to plug in the power cord yet, but like you want to keep it in this stage right here of zero gravity because these arms, once you put the arm panels, you have to be in this zero gravity stage. Because if you do an upright position, it won't slide. It won't slide in. So, yeah. So now we're just basically trying to get out of the base here. You grab it from here in the back. There's two holders. You grab from there,
And then the other one.
yeah, you grab. You have two sides. You grab right here. They have two little openings here. We can grab from this. Each end from the arm panels, just like that. So the next step, we have to assemble the shoulder assembly. The shoulder airbags here. So it's pretty simple.
So it's a three-stage for the side arms. The
Yeah,
shoulders
exactly.
and
Yeah, the shoulders and the side arms. And then the last part is the footrest. So what you need to get familiar with is the hardware. Because the hardware is not is basically not like, they're not basically like, you know. Yeah. So you see here, they're kind of scattered. So this is what you need to, you guys need to like basically like learn for what part is, what screws go for what areas. So for example, this right here is not complete. So this right here is gonna be for the shoulders.
Okay.
Yeah.
So it's missing a picking.
Yeah, and this one
right
here.
here.
See it? Got it. Yeah. So right here. So these are here for the shoulders, and then this one right here for the side arm panels here. These two here. That's all you need for the shoulder arm panels. And for the footrest is gonna be these two here.
And you only need a Phillips screwdriver, right?
Exactly. Phillips. Oh, here it is. Here's the rest of the screws. You're gonna need 2 more of these for the footrest. So this is basically the complete hardware here. So you need set. Basically, you have the sets here. So yeah. So now let me show you how. Let me show you some of the shoulders really quick. So if you want to lean over here, so you have the 2 openings here for the air hoses. Right here, it just slides in. This rubber is basically the sealant here.
Okay.
And you got this basically 4-pin Molex connector. Here, just plug it in here. Just like that. Come on, tucking the wires inside. Yeah, you need to move the backwards pad and just drop it in. It's pretty neat. I mean, it's pretty simple too because you got these 2 areas that kind of guide you.
Yeah.
So when you're assembling the shoulders, so go ahead and give it a shot. Oh, Richard, you're the jerk.
Do you feel it when it goes in?
Yeah, once you push it in, and you can have an idea too. Make sure you're kind of lined up to your side. It should be good there.
Are you sure? Because there's a gap here.
Yeah, let me look here. Let me come over.
'Cause it has to be plush right through.
Exactly. So. There you go. Yeah. So the thing about it though, because if you notice how those two little prongs, like the air hoses, go inside the for that rubber little opening. Problem is that you need to apply pressure, like this, and then screw it in. Because I learned, if you have two drivers, right, one guy's working on this side, most likely one guy's always is gonna look different from the other side.
Yeah.
I get that a lot when they're assembling two arms. So.
And I mean, if they don't go into those two ends, you're gonna know once you.
Yeah, you turn on the airbags. Yeah.
Yeah, you're gonna hear the air, right?
And the great thing about this chair that you could do that manually. You could test it before you even assemble the chair if you needed to. If you guys want to do it more of like a thorough inspect, watch for example. I could do that right now, just to show you like kind of a troubleshooting in a way. If you guys are really unsure. You guys have a power cord extension? Yeah, the great thing about body fans chairs, they have this admin section where on the remote where you basically check like if you could check
each area.
Each area individual, like the motors, actuators, all that. So let me show you here. So you want to do is just hold up and turn this power switch on. This on.
It might be the outlet. Hold on.
No, because
You got this on.
it turned on.
This on. Yeah, give me one second. Let me check the key.